Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, fine. Excellent. In today's video, I'm going to share how to rank your blog post on Google first page. This is a tutorial video which is going to help a lot of you who are struggling in ranking your content, or you're struggling to pull your content in Google first page. You need organic traffic. This video is going to help overall to teach you exactly method which you can be able to use to rank your content. So if you're struggling in ranking your content, I have 5 methods which you can be able to use to implement in your content and start ranking immediately. These methods are going to be practical method. So if you have old content, or maybe you're trying to write new content, follow this method I want to share. One of the methods is choosing easy ranking keyword, which are going to treat how to find easy ranking keyword with free Google auto suggestion to find low hanging keywords and write towards it. And I also learn how to do keyword placement and image SEO, internal link SEO, and CTRL SEO, which is click to rent SEO. So I'm going to take out my time to explain it very well on how to rank your blog post on Google first page. So all you have to do for me is to make sure you stick to this live streaming, ask any question, and also I'm going to leave this video for public after live streaming, so you can take out your time, learn for yourself. So let me check if there's anybody online right now. It seems we have only one person joining. Okay, fine. Without wasting time, let me go straight to the point and show how to find low hanging keywords before we talk about the next steps. And we have 5 methods. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to use Chrome and go and type Google Docs. I'm going to type .ux. That's what I want to type. Now I'm going to use this auto suggestion to find low hanging keywords and then show you exactly what your competitors are doing. So depending on each niche you are into, if you have any question, you can drop any question you want to drop on the comment box, or after this live streaming, you see this video after the recording live streaming, you can easily drop a question for me. I'm going to attend to it, or use your question to create more content for you to understand better. So all you have to do for me in return is to share my video, subscribe if you have not subscribed, it's your first time joining my live streaming. So the first thing we're going to do right now is to type how to make money online. I want to target how to make money online because I want to use making money online niche for example. So I'm going to target how to make money online. So if I open it, there's a lot of content in the high competition which I cannot just write how to make money online. This is the mistake most site individuals do, especially newbies, people who started building new blog. They do a lot of mistake in terms of picking keywords, and this is the only thing that is still holding you from not getting organic traffic, because you're not using the right method, you're not using the right strategy. So let me share it out. So after you search the keyword based on your niche, okay, you scroll down for me at the bottom, scroll down, take your time and scroll down at the bottom. You're going to see keyword suggestion. I call this ones low hanging keywords. You can still find low hanging keyword with SEO tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, Ubersuggest. A lot of them you can still use them to find low hanging keyword, but in this video I'm using Google auto suggestion to find low hanging keyword and work on those keywords and ranking Google first page. So the first keyword I'm going to pick out here is how to make money online without paying anything. So I'm going to choose this keyword. So I'm going to choose how to make money online without paying anything. I'm going to copy it, okay, and get my notepad. So just watch out what I'm doing and get my notepad. I've already found what how one hanging keyword, which is how to make money online without paying anything. This is the keyword we want to work on. So the next thing we're also going to learn on this video is what we called keyword placement. in most cases, it's not that you did not buy good content, you did not optimize your content. Most times you over optimize your content, or maybe you optimize your content based on, reading of novel. Like for example, a lot of you write content based on you know how to write. You don't write content based on you want to write for searching engine. Writing for searching engine and writing for users are two important things that is going to kill you in to rank in Google first page. Even to rank in Google, you need to work on user demand. And what are the user demand? First of all, to study keyword placement, you don't need an expert to tell you what is keyword placement. You don't need anybody to tell you, but you have to use your common initiative to do this. I'm going to check the top blogs that is ranking and check out exactly what they are doing, how they place their keyword, what exactly they are doing. Remember, we have 5 methods I'm sharing on this video, which is 5 method. Finding easy keyword, which is we have already found easy ranking keyword. We are talking about keyword placement. We also have image SEO. We also have internal link SEO. We also have click-through rank SEO. These are the things you need to understand to rank a content. So what I'm going to do is to open this one. So I'm going to open this website to show you why Google rank this website. After finding the low-hanging keyword, why is Google ranking this website? I've right to low-hanging keyword. Why is Google ranking it? The reason why Google is ranking it is because most time the keyword placement and other stuff that I'm going to explain on this live stream. So you have your time to ask questions. Please do yourself a favor by asking questions within this. I've gone far, but not that far. You can call me back by asking question, so I can come back and reply as soon as possible. So now, if you check this website, we are talking about, after choosing the low hanging keyword, which we did right now, we are talking about keyword placement. So we're going to scroll down. The keyword placement here is the magic I want you to understand. Now, this is what this young man do in the first paragraph. He mentioned there are thousands of practices to earn money online without spending a single dime. And this is going to make an audience who is looking for how to make money online without spending anything or without investing money. This is just like a hook. The introduction of your content is a hook, and also is an intro to tell the audience or the user what they are going to get on the content. So your introduction should be a hook and also relate to what you are trying to say. You don't just write anyhow introduction and jump pack it and then put all the whole content and just post it. No, be very careful in your content structure. And most times what I do in terms of optimizing a client website, I use other people's websites in the same niche to categorize, like to compare, to check exactly what their competitors are doing. Then I'm going to figure it and tell my client, see, you're not doing this thing you're not doing is not good. You're in this niche, this is exactly what you need to do. So you cannot be in tech niche and you are doing the tech niche method in let's say for example fashion niche. No, you have to be very conscious, know exactly what is working. A few years back in music blog, if you write some few introduction and post your downloading link, immediately you start ranking, but the level keep on changing. So whatever I'm trying to explain now, try to compare your competitors, those people who are doing better than you. Okay, so if you check, there is a hook giving the audience hope they are going to make money. There are so many practices, but it's going to show them how to make money. So even at the end, still in the introduction, he still mentioned, however, in this post we'll discuss only the best and the most legitimate ways to earn real money. He's still mentioning earning money, he's still mentioning real money, he's still telling them that he's going to give them the best information on how to make money online. So these are just like content hook, keyword placement, attachments, like to build out emotion for that person to understand that is going to the whole thing they're going to list here. You are not the only website on Google search. They have come across a lot of content, so you have to improve yourself in your introduction, that you have the best idea to share with them, or you have the best information, or you tell them you have 17 method that is going to work for them to make money online without paying any dime. So now if you see, he just hook them here with an information. After that, he just jump in and still keep on, enticing them, showing them, still telling them. For instance, most students need money to enjoy their student life, while adults need cash to take care of their entire family. You can even imagine many students making money by selling their used shoe. See, this guy is still referring you. This is where I'm going to also discuss about internal link SEO. So he's still referring the audience to another way. So now he's kind of building student. Like, if you have a student reading this content, the students still have an option to divert to another content that talks about how to sell shoes, sell sneakers, sell your old shoes. These are just the things you need to do in terms of writing content. Know your keyword placement, how you entice your users, how you drive them to the point so they will feel so safe to the end of your content. So if you scroll down again, they keep on giving fact. Then you come up with an headline here again inside the content: best idea to make money, which is the best idea to earn money online in 2022. Still giving them the information here and still start mentioning those things they need to understand. These are the things to do in terms of writing content. Keyword placement is very, very important. Finding low hanging keyword and then keyword placement. Let's move to the third one, which is image SEO. I'm also going to show that. Let's also check if we have any question. I'm insurance by DAU. I don't understand. Please make it very. I don't really understand your question. Please, I don't really understand your comment. Give me a clear information so I can understand what you're saying. So in terms of a particular image SEO, these are things you need to understand. He added the keyword which we are targeting, which is the low hanging keyword here inside image, and still add a kind of Google have an artificial intelligence that understand image. So whatever you put in your image, if you put a washing machine and write it a washing machine, Google understand it. It's very, very good. You optimize your image, add your keyword inside your image, is also going to help you to rank your content. So the next one we're going to discuss is about internal link SEO. This is where a lot of you do a lot of mistakes. You don't do internal linking. Internal linking boosts your DA, also boost your click-through rate, also boost more users to go to divert to other content that is more interesting in your blog post. So it's very important because internal linking happen within your website. So this is the example of internal linking to other content that relate to that topic you are talking about. Is going to help to build out authorities, build out information, engage audience. So internal linking is going to help you to get a user attention to divert to other content and pick interest in other content in your website. So the last one is click-through rate, which is SEO, click-through rate SEO, which is CTR SEO. This is where a lot of you make some mistakes. If it happens that I'm targeting how to make money online without paying anything, does not mean that I'm going to still add my headline. Your headline is the PowerPoint that is going to increase your CTR. And most times, some of you intend to do these mistakes. You just jump pack your headline, which is your headline anyhow. But it's very, very important you still optimize your headline. So let's optimize this particular headline. I talk about how to make money online without paying anything. So what I'm going to write here is 14 plus. Let's say, for example, 14 plus legit ways on how. This is it. With this particular keyword I just added here is just a bonus to increase my click-through rate, because you may intend to rank in Google first page, and at the end of the day, because your H1 is not good, your headline is not good, people are not going to click on your content. So add something eye-catching, hope, and make sure whatever you are adding is just exactly what you are going to offer. If you're saying the legitimate way, that means you're going to offer good content that is going to be what exactly the people the reason why they click on your content. That's the most important thing. So understand how to optimize your click-through rate, which is optimizing your H1. Make your H1 a very good, take out your time to build H1, create different H1. You can easily use some SEO suggestion tools to check it out, or check out for somebody to suggest for you, or to ask an audience or a friend, if it's you, are you going to pick this one or this second one. Create different titles, different H1 for one content. If it's 4 5, tell a friend to choose randomly the one that is going to suit them, if they are the one searching for how to make money online. You can do that from your own ending. So it's very, very easy to increase your CTR. So I'm waiting for Christian to come in. He said, how does DA affect the ranking of a blog? I have a good DA, my insurance need, but no ranking. DA is not ranking factor. Okay, DA is not ranking factor. Try to write good content, fish out those backlinks and disavow them, or you have kind of ignore those links and then build fresh links. DA is not ranking factor, and this is something that we have keep on talking from the year 2019. We started shouting DA is not a ranking factor. Even though you have 40 DA, 60 DA, if your content does not meet Google requirements, you're not going to rank. The same way you write content waiting for Google to approve it, they will bounce it. If you write, they will bounce it. So these are just the things you need to use to understand what exactly Google wants. So build a nice content. Content is very important. Don't just go and copy from other source. If you're copying from another source, that means you're not doing it the right way. If you're still writing without using this method I just shared now in your content, you're not going to get it in the right way. So do yourself a favor and optimize your content. DA is not a ranking factor. Optimize your content very well. Find exactly what your competitors are doing. Compare your competitors' content with your own. If, for example, I write how to make money online, or how to make money online without paying anything, and it happens that these people are ranking first, why are they ranking? We're on the same DA. I have 40 DA, you have 40 DA. Why is they outranking me? This is questions you have to come and ask yourself. You need to go down to their content, check out their keyword placement, how they tweak their keyword, their intro, how they hook their audience, how they set out the format. The same thing apply for when they are using their AdSense to earn a good amount of money. You still come back and check how they did their AdSense placement. These are the most important thing most people out there are not doing. So if you want to excel in this industry, please try your best to look for somebody within your niche, get to know what they are doing, compare their own with your own. Fine. With this, you're going to get a positive result. So let me check if there is any other question. So I'm waiting for more questions to drop in. I'm here to help. I've already talked about how to rank your blog post on Google first page, which you can just take out your time after this video and watch exactly what I discuss here. So if you have any question, make sure feel free to drop it out. I'm going to reply as soon as possible. So let's keep waiting for people to ask questions. And if it happens that, for me, I think one thing I do in terms of SEO is that I'm very kind of detailed person. I like checking what people are doing, why they ranking, what is making them to rank. They just have 5 DA. Why are they ranking? I'm bothered. I'm going to take out time night and day to check out, to compare exactly what they are doing. These people that is ranking here, there's not much thing they are doing. The most thing they are doing is, I just mentioned one of the things you can do to increase your website opportunity to rank your content. Yes, that's what I'm trying to say. If you focus on building a good keyword, don't just pick any random keyword, or maybe pick any keyword from any suggestion SEO tools and just write it. No, take out your time. I have a video that will teach you how to do keyword research for new websites. I will leave a link to that video soon in the description of this video. After this video, before tomorrow, I'm going to look for those videos. What I will tell you is that take out your time, go through my video. You're going to see a lot of content that is going to help you to rank on Google first page. all those content are going to help you, please. And for those of you who are getting positive results, you can also email me to tell me your testimony, like to tell me how it's going from your own ending. So optimizing, choosing easy ranking, keyword placement, which I've discussed here, image SEO, which I've discussed here, internal linking, which I've already showed on this live streaming, and CTR. So I'm waiting for questions to come in so we can help each other to build our blogs and website generally. Okay, I'm still waiting for question. What is the question? So let's deal with it. Although before that, we can also learn one or two things here in terms of image SEO. Let me talk about that more. And this is something I find out. If it happens that you have a Canva, let's do it right now. Okay, so I'm going to choose a format of image that I want on Canva. So like say for example, because we are talking about image SEO, is very important, and the image SEO also help this young man to rank. This guy, image SEO, he added the targeted low hanging keyword inside his image, and Google, there is an artificial intelligence that understand image, whether you add it keyword, whether you add it just money, icon, emoji, they understand it. They have artificial intelligence that understand every emoji. Even though you add a crying emoji on this on your image and upload it and write about how to cry, or maybe crying, maybe you write how to cry on the image, Google still understand it and rank it in the position of how to cry. That's what I'm trying to say. So in this one, let's say for example, if it happens that we want something like this, like say for example, pick this thing, let me track it down. So if it happens that we need something like this, what we're going to do, since we're targeting about how to make money online without paying anything, we can still go down again. We can use this one. We can copy this keyword. Remember, we're targeting how to make money online. We can still copy low hanging keywords like this and put it inside the image. Something like that. So I'm trying to be showing you how image SEO is working. So this is it. Since it's money, I'm going to use an icon related to money and laptop or mobile phone. I'm going to use this, or I use this, and this one is even better. This one is even better. I'm going to shift it like this. This is what I call image SEO. This is what I call image SEO. And then I'm going to choose something, shape. So I'm going to scroll down and get it done. This is what I call image SEO. So I'm trying to get something. If I see it in a hurry, that should be better. Arrow, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. Okay, something like that. Something like this. So this is what I call image SEO. It describes how to make money online for beginners. You understand? It still describe it. So this is just image SEO. Using your image to optimize the targeted keyword you want to rank is very, very important. Okay, you said something. I said I have also applied for AdSense twice, got an issue why it was declared at the first, but for the third time they reply low content issue. I did what you explained on your video board yet. Okay, fine. Bro, there's an important mistake you are doing. Allow your content to index And please stop jumping from one niche to another. Let me explain this. I'm not trying to say you jump from another niche. I was talking to a client for a consultation. Listen, if you want to get Google AdSense very fast, if you want to talk about how to make money online, choose one area. If you type a list of, let's say for example, how to make money online, how to make money online, let's just type it like this. So this is just a list of how to make money online. Okay, like say for example, how to make money online, pick affiliate marketing. Okay, like just open, let me just open one of the things. So if it happens that I want to talk about how to make money online, don't just go all the way that like picking how to make money, how to do this one, how to do that one. Pick under how to make money affiliate marketing, for example. Focus on how to start affiliate marketing as a housewife, how to create Amazon account and start making money as a housewife, how to sell your first product in Amazon as a housewife. Be kind of to kind of define the users you want. If you want to get a decent attention, like you just have to focus on one audience, like for the moment, to get approval. I'm talking about approval. I'm not just talking about random stuff to rank your website, but I'm talking about if you really want to catch Google like attention, focus on one particular area or gender or location. You understand? If you want to talk about how to make money, don't go and pick the whole topic within how to make money. Is invalid content, unless you're going to optimize it to the standard they want. But if you want, it's very easy. Just focus on one category of how to make money. If you talk about how to make money online as a freelancer, that means you have to talk about how to make money as a freelancer, as a housewife. You still talk about skill to learn as a freelancer. You just have to target. You just be kind of point your direction at the moment with 15 content, get them index, get approval, then you can just start jumping from all the whole category of making money online. So example of this, if you check out finance have for example, finance have investment, loan, task, and saving and money management. I can decide to pick only money management and talk about only money management in my blog post, in my content, in my website, and get approval before I can expand my wings to go to other category about finance. Finance have different category. Let me also mention it one after the other, so you can have your own choice to pick. Okay, if you go to, I'm coming, just give me time to check out here. I'm going to be very fast for it. Okay, under finance we have investing, we have accounting, we have saving, we have task, we have loan, we have income management, we even have budget, even have banking finance. So you have to pick one area and treat it very, very well. If it's service or if it's investment, for example, you talk about investment throughout. How to invest, best app to invest your money, best website to invest your money. Talk about investment throughout in your blog post. Anything concerning investment. Don't go and start, if you touch a topic in investment, you run again and touch a content within accounting, you run again and touch a content within loan, task. No. If you really want to get it fast, pick one subcategory and treat it very well and get approval. You may even like to fall in love with that particular category without even expanding your wings to other topic. Let me also check another person question. You see something, somebody came with a question. He said, which Web 2.2 website can push the no, there's no Web 2.0 that can push a website to rank now, because Web 2.0 is kind of very belittled, like it's not that functioning very well right now. Okay, it's not that kind of it's not that very kind of let me say, how will I put it? It's not that kind of guarantee right now in high competition niche. If you are in some low competition niche, Web 2.0 is still going to help. Okay, Web 2.0 is going to help. But if you're in times of high niche, please, Web 2.0 site cannot help unless you want to sign up to Reddit. And Web 2.0 can be for example, Quora can be Web 2.0. Sharing your content there is still it. So getting traffic from Quora, the main important thing, the definition of Web 2.0 is just you signing up from another platform and driving traffic from there. So Quora is Web 2.0. Okay, so you can get traffic from Web 2.0, but it's not something that have to boost your ranking. It's something that have to fetch you traffic, organic traffic. And if it happens that the website where you let's say for example Quora, you publish on Quora, if somebody is asking for that particular content in Google search, Quora may decide to rank that content and you get a referral traffic down to your own website. So consider doing it in the right way. Web 2.0 is still working, but not something to boost a keyword. Okay, if you need something to boost a keyword, look for a backlink that have higher traffic than your own, that's going to link to your blog direct to direct. Okay, I think I've answered that question. Or is it something? I think somebody asked question within. Okay, I think somebody asked question again. He said, in the scale of 1 to 10, please compare Web 2.0 and PBN. Okay, PBN is an expired domain. Web 2.0 is just another website where you can just sign up. Either you create a website there, or either you create content there, or maybe you do any other thing as from the Web 2.0 is just you signing up. Like Quora is Web 2.0, Webri is Web 2.0, Pinterest is also Web 2.0. These are example of Web 2.0. Okay, PBN is expired domain that you just hosted and build content inside it and link it to properties. You understand? Okay, is it again? You also ask question about, does the trust flow of PBN affect ranking power when using it as a backlink? It does not affect if you do it in the right way. That's why it's advisable to get a VPS when you are doing your Web 2.0, sorry, your PBN. So get a VPS server for your Web 2 for your PBN, and then buy different server and link them. I've already answered that question. He said, how do I consult you? Check out my email. What is the maximum number of backlink that can redirect from PBN to Ampla? 2 is okay, 3 is okay. Okay, don't do it something to become fishy. Just do it in the right way. Help me and share this live. And he said, when next will you be online? I will be online definitely tomorrow. This is a series, maybe tomorrow on Monday, but give me Monday is going to be the best. See you guys. I love you guys.